Welcome to the lecture. Now in this video we're gonna learn about the if-else statement in Swift. So let's go ahead and create a new variable called a number. Suppose it's gonna hold the value of 10. Now before I create a if statement, I just wanna show the syntax of it. So for it just begins with of course the if clause and um conditions, some conditions here, conditions, and then you know output if true. So uh, uh, let me comment this. um okay, okay. Now if condition, if, and then some conditions are gonna be here, and if it is true then execute the condition. If not, then else clause and execute the different condition. This is all about this. So let's then create if statement. Okay, let me create down here. So I created a variable called 10. Now I want to say if num is equal to 10, then all we do is print out you are correct. If clause, the condition, and the output if it is true. So now let's check it. Bar num equals 10. I say if num is equal to, now I put here double equal to. So single equal to, I've already access in here. So always just to access something else from a variable, then you always need to put double equal to, always. So if num equal to 10, then print out you are correct. So I'm correct here. What if suppose I want to change the variable to 9? Now nothing is being outputted. In this case, let me put a else statement here, and say um, you are incorrect, and you are incorrect is being outputted. This is because I've created a variable num equals 9, and I said if num is equal to 10, print correct. If it is not equal to 10, then print the you are incorrect command. So it's and it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Suppose let's go to some complex thing. Okay, let's just get rid of all this now. I want to create a variable, two variables. Okay, I want to create variable a. I'm going to send it equal to, okay, suppose 10. I want to create next variable b. I want to send it equal to 20. And now if a is greater or equal to 5, then what you gotta, let me print something saying a is greater than 4. If not, else print line a is less than 4. Now already is greater than 4 is being printed. Now I want to change the value of a to be 4. Now a is less than 4 is being printed. Now why? I assigned a to be 4 and I said if a is greater or equal to 5. If a is greater or equal to 5, it means it is either 5 or above 5. So if in this case it returns false here. So this code is not being outputted. Instead, the else command is being outputted. So a is less than 4 here. Um, Suppose I want to create a to be 5. Now a is greater than 4 is inputted. Why? Because I said a is greater and equal to 5. So when I remove this equal to sign, now a is less than 4 is being printed. So this is it. And let's go in be complex. So if a is greater or equal to 5, okay, I'm gonna do two commands here, and or command in if statement. And is denoted by, of course, 2 ampersand. Okay, 2 ampersand means and. Now if a is greater or equal to 5 and b is as well greater or equal to, suppose, 10. Now what did I say? If a is greater or equal to 5, this is correct, and if b is greater or equal to 10, this is as well correct. Print out a is greater than 4, else print out a is less than 4. Now when putting the and command, and command prints all the true statement only. Okay, if all the statement are true, then it prints the true one. If either one of them is false, if suppose if I say b is equal to 10, in this case is wrong because I have assigned b to be 20, and now in this case it's reading an error. But let's do a different thing. And b is less than 10. Okay. Now if a is greater than or equal to 5, this is correct, and if b is less than 10, this is also, this is now incorrect. If b is less than 10, this is now incorrect. Now what it is doing is printing a is less than 4. So and statement just means if both of the conditions are correct, or if all the given conditions are correct, then print it the first command, otherwise print the next command. Now next one, there is the or statement. Or means if either one of the statement is correct, then print the first command. Okay, so in this case, suppose in this case here the second one is incorrect but the first one is correct, so it is printing a is greater than 4. This is all about and our command. And next thing we got is, suppose, if else, or if and else statement. So if, after if, let me write next statement, else if. Okay, else if a is greater than 10. I just messed up. Okay, if a is greater than 10, then do something. Print out a is greater than 10, else print out a is then 10. Let me remove this from here and let me remove this from here. Now let's see the command. If a is greater or equal to 5, it is already correct, so it's just going to print out this. Now let me change the command. For example, let me say change the variable. Let me change a to be 4. So a is less than 10. It means both this is incorrect here, this is as well incorrect here. So instead it's going to print the last one, the remaining option. So this is all about if else statement, and I'll see you in the next video.